It's on.
Okay. Okay.
And I expect everyone to listen.
Okay.
Especially you, Annalyn.
Okay. Yeah, Andy.
We are doing a math board today. Skills that you should be able to use from practicing all year with Mrs. Crawford.
Okay.
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 Today's date. We are going to write it in two ways. Who can tell me what day it is today? Dryson.
It's the 18th.
What day of the week is it, though?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. What month is it, Abby?
May.
May. What date is it? What date is the day? Andy?
2000.
No, that's the year.
Oh.
19th? Is it the
18th.
19th?
18th.
18th. And the year is?
2015.
2015. That is the way we write the word date. Can everybody write that entire thing that we just went through today?
Yes.
Tuesday, May 18th,
So.
2015. Write it on your whiteboards.
Do we write the whole thing?
Write the whole thing. And then I'm going to have one of you write it for my board.
Oh. Tuesday?
Tuesday. Write out the whole date.
Tuesday.
Don't forget to capitalize your Tuesday.
Oh.
It's a proper noun.
No, today's the 19th.
Is it the 19th?
No, it's the 19th. It's the 18th. It's the 19th. Today's not
It's
Monday.
the 19th. It's the 19th.
Hey,
Angel's right.
Jason, you didn't change the date.
Nope, you guys didn't change your date. It's the 19th.
So it's Tuesday,
May 19th.
Tuesday, May.
I don't have my kindergartners to tell me what day of the week it is anymore. It will
19th.
forever be a dateless day for me.
So what do we have to write?
The whole expanded date. Tuesday, May 19th, 2015.
I got it. Me too. May. Do we show you?
Yep, when you are done, you can hold it up, and then we will talk about how we wrote it.
May what?
Hey.
What about your board? Mrs.
Shh, no talking while you show me. Just hold it up and show me. And I will have someone come up and write it for me.
May what?
It's May 19th. You were right, Angel. Okay, Abby, let me see yours a little closer. Okay, I think, Abby, that you are the most correct. So, Abby, I'm going to give you this strip and have you write it on this strip for our board with your marker.
So it erases. Can we erase our boards now? No. We're going to Are we going to erase our board?
Okay, Abby's going to write it for us. No, don't erase your board yet because you're going to compare it to how Abby's writing it to how you wrote it.
Okay.
And see what mistakes you did or did not make.
Oh yeah, we did this morning, but we didn't. Oh yeah, we did it. We did a
There's a
mistake.
specific way we have to write our date
I
as
did
far
my
as
date.
capitals and commas and order.
Commas? I did commas. I did commas.
Yes, but some of you did too many commas.
I did. Where?
You'll see after Abby writes it.
Did I do it? I did. Don't tell him, Josie. Oh. I'm going to be.
Okay, are you done, Abby? Okay, let me see. And we actually don't need that period because May is not a shortened month, is it? We write the entire month of May. Okay, look at the date that Abby wrote. This is a comma.
Oh.
Now look at yours and see if there's anything you need to fix.
Nope. I do. Yes. No.
Did your Tuesday start with a capital?
Yes.
Did your May start with a capital?
Yeah.
Both of those are proper nouns. Do you have a comma after the 19?
Yeah.
But nowhere else.
Yes.
No comma after May. And then do you have the correct year?
Yes.
Okay, that is how you write the extended date. And you will be doing this again on a worksheet with a different date. So just remember how you're supposed to do that. Okay. Now, underneath this date, I want you to change it into the number date, which is the one you write on your board every day that I erased for yesterday.
Wait, how do we write Tuesday on it though?
You don't have to do the day.
Do we
in the number
erase
date.
our boards?
You can erase them if you would like to.
I wouldn't. Tuesday, May 19th.
Change it into the number date that you write on the board all the time.
Oh, there's no commas, just slash.
No commas.
Oh. Isn't there slashes? Yeah.
Slashes or dashes.
Okay, so-
Both ways are correct.
Oh my gosh.
What month is May? January, February, March, April, May. So what number comes first? 5. Awesome, Angel.
Oh yeah.
Perfect, Tayson. Perfect, Dryson. Andy. Kiara.
Mom.
Bailey.
Andy.
Okay, Andalyn.
This? Thank you.
William. Cassie. I know, Cassie. Hey, you forgot your dash after you're 19. And you don't have to write the whole 2015. What number can you write instead?
15.
Because we all know it's 2000, don't we? Perfect. Emily, Kaiser, Abby.
Are we going to write it?
Okay, you can erase your boards.
Are we going to write it up there?
Esley, what's
Do
yours?
we have to erase our board?
You don't have to.
I'm
Okay,
not going
now
to.
I need one person to transfer onto here. Jossie, do you want to do it for me? Write the number date on that strip. Perfect.
Did we do this in kindergarten?
Now, we do this in kindergarten every day.
This is hard.
But your board's
No, it
going to be a little more difficult than the kindergarten board is. And they don't have to write it every day like second graders. Okay, I'm going to choose a number that we're going to work with. And my number of the day today is 121.
Wasn't it last night 144?
That's for later.
Oh.
The teacher's daughter knows too much. Okay. 121. Raise your hand if you know how many hundreds are in 121. Dryson. 1. Raise your hand if you know how many tens are in 121. Emily.
2.
And raise your hand if you know how many ones are in 121. Tayson.
1.
Very good.
It's pretty easy.
Now, raise your hand if you know how to write the number 121 in words. That's trickier, isn't it?
I know.
I want everyone to write the words 121
That's
on your whiteboard. Write those words.
I'm going to erase my board.
You might have to write kind of small on some of these small whiteboards.
Oh, mine.
Just do your best on the spelling.
Do we hold it up when we're done?
Yes, please. Very nice.
Oh, no.
Excellent. See, all of you know how to do that. You tried to tell me you didn't, but all of you do.
I said I knew.
Esley, I'm going to have you write it on my sentence strip. Okay.
I just finished.
Very nice. The important thing to remember when you're writing a number in words is that you don't forget any word. You write every word you say.
100.
Because when you get into the thousands and the 100,000s, you have to make sure you remember every single word.
121. That's 4 words.
121.
Do we erase that?
You can erase it, yes. I've looked at all of them.
Even mine?
Even yours.
Okay. This is pretty easy. It is.
It is. I told you, it's a review of all the stuff you've worked on this year.
Why do we leave a mine?
You'll see.
Oh, I know what the pig is. It's a piggy bank.
It's a piggy bank. We'll get there in just a minute. And it will also get a little harder here in a minute. Thank you, Esley.
Cookie color the pig.
Okay, here is our word form.
Is there anything else after
Now.
the pig bank?
Is 121 odd or even?
Odd.
Why is it odd? Who can tell me why it's odd? Dryson.
Because the last numbers.
That's right. All you have to look at is that last number. And how do you know what is an odd number? Why is one odd?
Because if you have one piece of candy, you can't give your friend another.
That's right. You can't share it without cutting it or breaking it, so it's odd, right?
You can share a
Excellent.
Smartie.
So I'm just going to circle the word odd, which is also what you will do on your paper. Now we are going to come up with some equations or number sentences. Do you know what that means? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. I know some of you are working on multiplication and division. With the answer of 121. Do you want me to give you an example? I can give you the kindergarten example. That way you guys have to think of the second grade examples. One example of an equation would be 121 plus 0 equals 121.
That's pretty easy.
There's my kindergarten equation.
That's pretty easy.
Now, on your board, I want you to write down 3 equations with an answer of 121.
So is it my takeaways?
It can be takeaway, it can be multiplication,
I know a really good
but
takeaway.
you have to show me why it's the right answer.
Can we do it the kindergarten way?
You can do one the kindergarten way.
Okay, that's what I was doing.
But I want some of you to try and figure out some multiplication and division too.
We don't know division that well. We're just like barely starting.
Just barely starting it. I can think of one really super easy division problem I bet you can do, Abby.
What? Last night I said 12 times 12.
That's not for this one though.
I know. 12 times 12.
I said the teacher's daughter knows too much.
12 times 12 equals 144.
Yes, but we are doing 121 right now.
That's hard. How would you do 144? Oh, so it could be. No, that won't work. And
See,
then.
when you have your 3 equations,
I don't know.
put your thumb up so I know that you're ready.
I don't know one.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Any of
I
them
know
work.
one. I know a
The
really
answer
good
has to be 121, Esley. So if you want to do plus 1, you have to change your beginning number.
So would 100
So what plus
plus
1 equals
121 would that be a kindergarten?
What?
100 plus 21.
No. I do have kindergartners who can come up with that one, but it's not a kindergarten answer.
I know a really good one.
Then write it down. Write it down.
And then I know.
I said they could do one kindergarten.
I didn't do it. I can do a kindergarten one now. I cannot figure out one. I can't figure out my last one. I can't. I'm done. Wait. Oh, I don't know. Is 122 take away 1 equals, is that a kindergarten way?
What?
Mama, can we get
Perfect.
Done, Mama.
You have all three, then put your thumb up. So I know you're ready.
Why don't I put just, oh yeah.
Because then I know you're ready and you don't have to hold up that heavy board while everyone else gets ready.
It's not heavy.
It is after you hold it up for a few minutes.
Oh, I'm not gonna try that. I'm gonna try that.
121 minus what?
Dad. But then somebody could look at it. Oh yeah. That's what I can copy off.
121 plus 4 doesn't equal 121, does it?
I'm copying off behind.
You have to change this beginning number.
I'm copying off my mom's.
What plus 4 equals 121?
I did. Hey, Ashley, look.
Pick a number that's smaller than 121. Okay. Plus, how much more do we have to get to it to get
Andy,
to
look at mine.
21?
Mine's elephant.
20 plus what equals 21? You have 20 pieces of candy and you want 21. How many do you need?
like it's all scratched.
What's his eye? If you're changing one, so 20 plus 1. So we're up to 21 plus, what do we need to add to it to make it 121? You have your 21, what are you missing?
Let me try my line with a red tape.
One, what, one? Write the number, not the word.
We have to
Don't make
write.
it more difficult than you have. Now, so we have 20 plus 1 plus 100. Is that even 121? Yes, so now put your equals 121.
What about 100 plus 100?
Okay, most of you have your 3 equations.
Oh,
Raise your hand if you have one to share with me. Okay. Kaiser, what is one of yours?
50 plus 50 plus 21.
Okay, 50 plus 50 plus 21 equals 121. Is he correct?
Yes.
He is correct. Excellent. Emily,
124 minus 3.
124 minus 3 equals 121. Is she correct?
Yes.
She is. Esley,
100 plus 2 equals
100 plus 2 equals 102. 100 plus, you forgot a number when you wrote it. It's not 100 plus 2, it's 100 plus 21.
Okay, Mama. I know one. I know one. I
Okay,
know one.
100 plus 21 equals 121. Just raise your hand, you don't have to shout at me. I can see you just as well as I can hear you. Abby.
131 minus 10 was 121.
Excellent. 131 minus 10, no talking behind me, equals 121. Dyson.
130 take away 9.
130 take away 9. Tayson. Did you have a different one?
Yeah. 126 minus 5 equals 121.
Excellent.
I did.
Andolin.
100. Oh. I made a mistake. Oh. No, I didn't. Oh. 122 take away 1 equals 121.
Okay, 122 take away 1.
I was going to do that,
Excellent.
but I thought that was a
And
baby.
Jocelyn, I want you to share yours.
20 plus 1 plus 5. Let's go.
Just a minute, Jocelyn. Jocelyn's sharing hers. Listen. Okay, Jocelyn.
20 plus 1 plus equals
Plus 1
plus 1 equals 100.
plus 100. Yeah. Okay. 20 plus 1 plus 100 equals 21. She added her place value numbers together.
Oh.
Okay, if I 121 pennies, how much money do I have?
121.
But how can do I go around saying I have 121 cents?
No.
How would I say that so that it's a little easier? Abby, did you know? Emily?
$1.21.
$1.21. How do I write that? Can you guys tell me what I put first?
One, two, one.
And what do I put here at the beginning?
$1 sign.
Okay, so I have $1.21. This is where you need your money bags. I want everybody to use their money to make $1.21.
Okay. How about twice?
Just one way.
On a board?
No, you can do it on top of your board, but you don't have to draw it.
Do we erase them?
You can erase your boards.
Thank you, Mama, for teaching our class. You can leave now.
I'm not done yet.
What do you do to make that? What do you do to make that? Can we divide? What do you do once you make that?
Once you make it, wait just a minute,
And
and I will have one of you share your way.
21 cents.
$1.21.
That's easy. What do you do when you're done?
Just wait.
You're really told me twice. Are you going to give us a math sheet?
I am.
Are you going to be in here when we do it?
Yes. And your math sheet looks a lot like this.
Okay.
It just has a different number and a different date.
So, Mama, does it have two sides?
Nope, one side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we have to write the 5/19/16?
We'll get to the worksheet in just a minute. Okay, I see a lot of you have made your $1.21. You only have $1.11.
Mama, I'm trying.
Looks like most of you have made it in the same way too.
I can do it a different way.
You got your dollar.
I can do it a really different way. I did it. You can do it for 50 cents.
Yes, there are multiple ways you can do it, but most of you are choosing to do it the same way.
I'm going to change mine. I did mine.
Okay. Is everybody finished with one way?
No.
Okay. Cassie, tell me how you made $1.21.
$1, 2 dimes, and 1 penny.
Okay, so you have a dollar bill, 2 dimes, and 1 penny. So there is one way to make $1.21. Did someone make it in a different way? Esley, how did you make it?
A dime, 1 penny, and 3 nickels.
And then your dollar. Very good. Angel, how did you make it?
$1, 25 cents, and a penny.
That would be $1.26 though, wouldn't it?
I know.
Andy.
$1 and 4 nickels and 1 penny.
Excellent. Abby, how did you make it?
150 cents, 2 quarters, 4 nickels, and 1 penny.
Excellent. Okay, now we're going to go on to, and you'll need your money for this too, on to your worksheet. I'm sure there's countless ways you could do it.
Can we take 4 too?
This is, you can put your whiteboard away when you're done with this, in case you need it to do any figuring on. This is your worksheet. See this calendar? This shows you what date you're writing. And it's really, really hard to read the date, the year right here, but it says 2015. It's the same year. But what month is it, Jossie? July. And Bailey, can you see what day it is? The 7th. And what day of the week is it, Tayson? Tuesday. So that is the date you will be writing. Tuesday, July 7th, 2015.
It's like the same.
You write it in words, and then you write the number date, and then your number is 144. This is where Andalyn kept getting that number from, is from the worksheet. You will write the number in words. You'll write how many hundreds, tens, ones. You'll circle whether it's odd or even. And then you have 3 boxes here. You're going to put an equation in each box that adds up to 144. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any of those with an answer of 144.
Can we do times?
And then down here is your money. If you have 144 pennies, how much money will you have? You write it on that line.
100.
And then you make it with your money. You build it with your money and tell me how many dollars, dimes, 50-cent pieces, nickels, quarters, or pennies you use to make your money. Are there any questions? Okay. Kira, do you want to hand them out for me? Thank you. And I'm going to stop the recording there.
You're going to start the